time since I did not post videos on my channel. Since you know it's at the end of the year, I have my BM exam to pass, so I do not have any time to make videos or something else. But today I have prepared this video as usual specially for you. And in this video I show you how to make a cake of Nutella in the microwave. I hope that the video will please you, so do not forget to put a like and subscribe and comment if you have something to say.